guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to do a Navratri makeup look. As Navratri is around the corner, I wanted to share a simple brown look that you can do on every outfit you wear. So I am going to show the products, as well as this is going to be the complete makeup tutorial guide for you, that what all products you need to use in the makeup routine. So not wasting any more time, let's get into it. But before that, do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a video from me. Okay, so first step is CTM routine, which I have already done, and it is going to be your cleansing, toning and moisturizing. If you don't know what these all mean, you can check out my previous videos. The link is in the description down below. So speaking of cleansing, toning and moisturizing, you need to cleanse your face, that is, you need to keep your face clean for the makeup, and then you need to tone your face so that your skin ka pH level is balanced, and you need to moisturize your face because your face needs hydration. Okay, so after doing all these steps, we go in with a primer. The primer is used to actually minimize your pores so that they don't look that heavy, or that doesn't make your makeup patchy. So for me, I like to go in with the Insight primer. It is a very good primer, and I take a good amount. I don't know, people just apply it on their face, nose and chin, but I like to go in even on my cheekbones. So like, you just need to apply it, don't blend it, because you want to create a barrier. So the primer actually creates the barrier for the skin so that the makeup doesn't absorb into your skin, and it doesn't cause your skin to break out. That's why primer is known as the most important step in the whole makeup routine. So after this, I like to go in and do my eyes, because I like doing my eye makeup first and then going in with the whole look. So for that, you need to create a base on your eyes so that the colors that you are using may look more bright. So I'm going to be using the Insight concealer. I really love Insight products actually, if I go to tell you all, because it is affordable and it does the work what high-end product does. So I'm just going to take it and apply it on your eyelids, and see that you apply a little bit of too much, because if anything goes wrong, like, it helps to fix it too. I'm going to go in with a mini beauty blender, which is this one, and I'm just going to blend it. I'm just going to come forward for you all so that you all can see what I'm doing. So after this, I'm going to go in with my powder, which is also from Insight, and I'm going to just set my base in place so that I can start with my eyeshadow. So I just take it like this, I dab off the extra. I'm going to be using the palette from Revolution today, and I'm going to show you all the shades that I am going to be using. So basically, we are going to be using all the neutral shades to create this look, and especially even the pink. I will use a little bit of pink today because I don't want it to be very simple, but I am not going to go with shimmer today. Like, I will go with a very subtle look. So for the first shade, I'm going to just go in with the lightest brown color, which is this one. This color I am going to be using, and for that I'm going to take my small fluffy brush. I'm just going to dip into it, and I'm just going to dust off the excess. I'm going to place it in my crease line. So you all can see that it's created that line. It's going to blend it out more properly. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. I'm going to take this orangish brownish shade over here, and I'm going to place it over my crease line and blend it with the brown. So I'm just going to take the product like this. I'm going to dust off the excess. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to blend it in my crease line. So this is how you're blending it. See that your brush goes in the circular motion as well as the normal motion, which is this. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eyelid. And you're going to take the same small fluffy brush and again blend out the top. Now I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm going to take the medium brown shade, which is right over here, and I'm just going to pat it all over my eyelid. This brush, what we had taken the orange shade, I'm just going to dip into it again and just go around it one more time. Yeah, that's it. And now I'm going to apply my mascara and my eyeliner, and you're going to start from the middle, which is the midpoint. I'm just going to draw a line from there down, and then you're going to take it from here and draw it again. See to that you all are covering the gaps. Then I'm going to go in with my kajal pencil. This is known as tight lining, where you are applying kajal even on the upper thing and the down thing. So this is the difference that tight lining makes. You all can see that this eye is looking bigger than this one. That is due to tight lining. So always when you apply kajal, you need to apply it on both sides. So if you're doing this, just close your eyes and apply it on the upper layer too. After this, I would like to go in with a concealer like this, which is 2 shades darker to my skin tone. Now this, what it does, that instead of using a orange corrector, I like to go in when I have less pigmentation with a darker 2 shade darker concealer. So I'm just going to take a good amount. See that you are applying it evenly everywhere. So wherever I have darkness on my face, I have applied it. Then you're going to take your beauty blender. You're just going to dab it. See to that you are dabbing it and not dragging it or not blending it too much. You want it to be on your skin so that it blends out with the foundation. So wherever you have blackness on your face, you need to apply this 2 shade darker concealer. If you have too much, you need to go in with the orange corrector. Otherwise the darker concealer itself is great for your skin. So today I'm going to be using Color Bar foundation. This is the Radiant foundation of theirs. Now the thing I like about it, it comes in a package like this. Once you open it, it looks like this, and you have to just press it and the foundation is out. So I really love that thing about it. Now this is a high coverage foundation, so I'm just going to go in with my finger itself because this is my own foundation, and I'm just going to dab it over my skin in a very minimal amount. See that you're covering each part with this foundation because you don't want it to look patchy at all, and especially your forehead because that is the most tanned part of your face. I like to use a setting mist, and then I'm going to just blend all of this. So like now this is the thing that you need to apply foundation even on your neck, because this is the difference it really makes. Now is the time that I go in with my cream blush and contour. For my cream contour, I like to go in with a brown shade of concealer, somewhat like this. Now with the beauty blender, I would blend it in the upward direction, which is this. I go in with my inside concealer again, and I would put it on the high points of my face, like here, like this. Now after this, I like to go in with my cream blush. So after this, I like to go in with my powder and bake my face. Now for the eyes, I like to go in with a very minimal amount of powder. So I just don't mind my face, because this is how I actually do it. I can't keep a straight face during makeup. Double, but trust me, it looks really good. So I take my palette from Swiss Beauty. I take the contour shade, just dip into it. Don't want too much, but you don't want less also, so take a good amount. For the nose, like I just like to catch the brush like this, and so I just like to like dab it. So I just go in with a spoolie like this, and I just like to take like a brownish shade in the spoolie and just apply it like this only. I go in with my highlighter and apply it on my eyebrows first, which is this corner. So like this is how it looks, and I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter over my cheekbones. With the highlighter like this. But not the least step is your lipstick, and for this we are going to go in first with a wipe. So okay, so once your lips are wiped, now for this look I want to go in with a bold lip, because since my makeup is so simple with no shimmer on it, so I like to go in with a bold lipstick. So this lipstick is from Faces Canada, and it is the shade Over and Out. It is a shade Over and Out, and I'm just going to take this red lipstick. It's such a beautiful red lipstick. So guys, this is the finished look, and let me get ready and be back with y'all in just a minute. So guys, this is the final look. Do tell me in the comment section that how did you like this tutorial video, and do give a thumbs up, do like the video, do share the video, and do subscribe to my channel. That's it. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, take care.